Well, good morning, country people. Them 10 o'clock, it don't reach for side where they call them for Manfe. Again, 10 o'clock, it don't make them people them don't shit down for that side for Cape Town, and those were the day for side for Balinyonga, even those for side for Abakwa. Oh man, it don't find a chair a shit down. Those were the day for inside Boat House, and those were the day for inside Shah House. They don't finish it down for see wait away the prophet it bring them for church today. We could enter now inside the strong number. Number one, we could talk na Palava rain where it don't fall for inside the way na capital for country. It bring wahala na inside the way na capital for Cameroon. You see, say there's some moto them they be last turn na only this one where they come and say canoe, moto them turn canoe for the carry passenger them for inside capital for we country. Now so we will take Siam, this one for Voirie municipal for inside Yaoundé. We go talk another one. Now this one where it happen as the rainfall. Some people them they go enter for inside some obliging for high rain. Now where they last kai some man seize money for it. This one it come on now for side for Nguso. Yes, not people them under rain they move some man way behind rain for corners of obliging, and then they chukchugi last take he telephone them and he capital. So now for inside this bath and they enjoy where they talk to the song now for year where the man is high rain the countryman we don't show his face, but we can go on the talk nothing way I for camera ACM now the victim where the chukchugi for side for Ngoso. We come on now, we talk Palava new coach for Palava new coach for Cameroon. It they bring wahala. Now in this yesterday for night 10:30 p.m. to remand a go reach for side where they call him for Simaleng for Siam. Now this big bet where it carry people them it come. Now the new coach that for Cameroon where they don't receive it for side for Simaleng airport yesterday for 10:30. Now so we take for see Cameroon. Sense to read for sharp morning time. It talks say waiting. Sense to read for sharp morning time. It we say monkey where it complain say no fit climb for tree. That means say time for die it don't reach. Monkey where it complain say they so he no fit climb tree, me you know say he on time for die it don't reach. Person where he say na for we na pa mba Christopher where they should on for side for Batibo subdivision. Ma Mirabel is supporting for side where they call him for Akwaya. Akwaya, it didn't have that side for Southwest, now for Cameroon. Nang denge will come back when I will see him all. Any man will never find cheer, me find cheer now because I know when they preach, we Christian them, the day for up. Where you come for church, you get for find a chair, you sit down. Where you there for up, when prophet he could preach, you say you know go hear thing where it talk. Inside Yaoundé, when a capital for country, rain where it fall, it bring total confusion. It bring them for people them, it bring them for taxi men them, it bring them for Okada people them because they no work again. Me, we go for Voirie municipal for inside the Yaoundé, go see where to way rent a cost and for that side. Now in that. This one now inside Yaoundé and Yaoundé na capital for Cameroon. Although they talk say so when this story is start, they try way for off make people not see them. But still yet they will see them for Facebook. Now in this, I say na inside Yaoundé, me when I see how moto they don't turn na canoe. For the swim inside water, a whole capital. A whole capital. Me when I look up. And they ask Christian whether they so work for mayor for inside Cameroon, na waiting. Work for parliamentarian, na waiting. Work for councillor, na waiting because we know they understand where they work. Another one where we know they understand his own work, na senators. Work for senators them na waiting. City mayor he on work na waiting because we know they understand. Inside a whole capital, rain go fall, and then motor they go to swim na swim. It look good, it not fine at all. It not fine. So we beg the city mayor. Say me take example for the other one where be the worker with the coffin. Say the monkey bury him, and then before all things go finish. Now so a whole capital be get for B, they said no. Before my one cross, he get for move shoe. When he finish cross, one time he put shoe back. See the way where people they take for cross for center town for country. Policeman he says a play where they turn up for me pip, he don't run water. This man you motor, he don't come tied here. Well, this one we the laugh, but when I cry, we will cry. Because when we go for other country, we see say so the capital, this kind of thing never happen. Yes, this kind of thing never happen for some for inside country. But for Cameroon, we know they understand. We the only year. Yes, le superman. Yes, le maire. Yes, détel. Parliamentary not to do your work. Mayor not to do your work. City mayor not to do work for Cameroon. Timmy, everyone be told so. He get for clean Yaoundé and he be clean am. The man will come now. He be get for take am for play where Timmy will be put am and then continue. And for Cameroon, we no want for go take advice for person wey be first day and we know the work. Thing wey cause this thing now got a hold of where they don't block. And for clean them. So that me, when rain one fall, it pass, it not fit take we 100,000. But since we pass that all over, she don't for office. She don't for office. Now in this now. Now population they suffer. And now for tarnish image for the country, we no look good. City mayor for Yaoundé, look this place. Yes, try way for go open the gutter hole so that when rain one fall, he get place for pass. This rain one fall, any man say this, so I want it for house quick because NJANGI for quarter get for take place. This boy take Okada, say this so one go quick for compound because quarter meeting day. Okada to the fly because they say now time for shoe mine. Why Joe they when they on top Okada for inside Yaoundé, they say that they take drugs. He fly with this man one time, go jam again with another bike. This man fall and we be a passenger, he broke his foot. His foot, he broke into two. In the carrier, say me when I help me, tell me go to the hospital. Any man they only film na film. Any man they come on na telephone for make video. Meanwhile the man they die. I don't tell when I say this so Palava filming, Palava take video for inside country. Small time we go vote some law where you know go catch people them. You never see person they die. If the cry say help you move the telephone, film them after you send them for social media. When you send them for social media, where to be your own gain for inside? Nothing. You know they get nothing. Now losses. And God get for punish you because you never help person. So the person last die. Will not be normal. But this man never die. He never die. Now some good Samaritan when a woman he like the pass with private car, he pack, he beg people carry and put time, he go drop am for hospital. Yes. And then man begin to be the only pass. Since that they don't transform private car for inside your own, they turn that taxi. We not get yellow color. But they carry people them. They not get conscience for stop and then carry person. So at the back, the parliamentarian and then say, when the one she don't again that section, me them vote some law say, when accident happen for some place, any motorway they come, me them catch up even our power, put the person they be go to the hospital, it go hell we. That law go hell we. Because of man make accident, if the last can die, where motor they pass, where they for fit carry am, it not be normal. When I be work money for buy motor and the motor na for help. Where you see some motor spoil for some place for highway, so another motor they come again, go Samaritan, can't tow am, go leave am for garage. That means say the man be foolish man? No. God be talking to me, we begin to help. So the then for inside Yaoundé, it cause confusion. For inside quarter where they come say Ngusu. Ha! Commandant Abega, where be there from Kololo, now he do work. Now man this way don't go high rent. Till people then too they come one time they want high rent, they discover say so this man get fine phone. They say na fandina enjoy. Now name for the bar. Now them boy that way they choke you with knife. Under rent. If not be na street camera when governor of Cameroon don't put them. We know for no person we don't do this work. That way street camera don't film am. Now way Gendarmerie Nationale for side for Ngusu. Now in that. He turn, he catch the body because they see their face for camera. So now we talk all the day for before magistrate, so that mean they answer that question. Mbanga, he come over the skin. Kind knife, he come over the skin. I ask question. Minister, where we talk today, so For buy knife, you get for show identity card and go outside there now. That one now commandant the company for Yaoundé 3, a blue talk, because they be talking me come. Yes, they be talking me come because something don't happen. Now, commandant Abega, now he be commandant for Brigade von Gosu, and now he be commandant for Brigade von Kolulu for Douala, so they be transferred. Population don't come back. Say this, so they want see them before they leave. You see? So for inside capital, the population not be safe. And they be safe now because the government for Cameroon don't do fine work for put street camera outside. So we thank government for that one. Me when I add and put up suitable for inside quarters. It go help we live and continue. Yes. When you the thief, no say you there for permanent danger. When you want thief something for Yaoundé, no say they must catch you. You want thief for Douala, no say they will catch you. You want thief for Bafoussam, no say they will catch you. You want thief for Garoua, no say they must catch you. Because government for Cameroon don't put camera outside. When I be see on the other day for Bafoussam, no, I be don't show on the one for Douala, I show on the one for Yaoundé. So for that one, me say I give cafe for Ngomna. Say they do fine work for that one, eh? Yes, for that one I give una cafe. No coach for Cameroon. As minister, where the local spot for country, if you don't come a big book, and then big man too, where the local Africa vote, he come on your own book, say no, the coach, the matter be the brain problem. Me will first see how it be start. Hey, Cameroon. Yes. Me will first see. Now, this way minister for sport, he be come out, say don't bring coach. Say coach there for come. Now, this way, Samuel Eto'o when the president for Africa vote, he say no, this man. Say no, this Mark Brace. When not new coach for country. And now minister for sport don't go find the coach. And then they detect we say so they lost them for Africa Foot. The show say so now president for Africa Foot, he get for proposed coach them for minister will be in charge of sport. According to the law, where will the year? They say some banana year on Manda be done bole. Say ye on term of Monday be done finish. So they get for bring another one. So a day they say fight a day between Minister for Sport and Africa Foot. Because Africa Foot man say no, I no go sign. And law for FIFA the talk say so now president for Africa Foot get for sign any contract with coach. So we they ask question whether they so now where this coach now Minister for Sport don't bring him. Who get for sign now? Because man for Africa so say Africa Foot say you know they for sign. And then how FIFA could do now for recognize this coach now? Now the question that. So this coach began for come for Cameroon for number 11 day for April 2024. Hey, country people, according to a book where minister become out, say the coach Mark Breeze say get for come for Cameroon for number 11 day for April 2024. Live and country man. Hey, man go see team them for this country. Yesterday, I want she don't say me I take my acho. I finish for take my acho now. I said, you know, man get for at something on top. Way now white meat. And now for evening way the tap at the bringer. Man when they take ye matango, then say, messenger for God carry your broom because something don't happen. I say, wait, it don't happen. Say go one time for Simaleng. Go for Simaleng, something they pass for it. I said, now that Maria where they broke arm, they say no. Now coach, he come and say, minister be talk say coach could come na number 11 day. How coach don't decide for come na number 7 day again? They say all thing for Cameroon, he not get specific debt. Me we go now for Simaleng. Yesterday go see I'm 10:30 p.m. Now in that. I say na time they went to Limangoli for Simaleng for night. We see this bed where they carry people. When na bed for France, he says they don't land. We want look up now they coach that. And we want to look at now first advisor for Minister of Sport. Now in this we quote. Now you go receive the coach for that for Simaleng. Man we wear this shirt. We get a part for this side. Now it be team press. So now then we go for Simaleng. Go talk say come good for coach. Now time this way they discuss now. They discuss now how the contract get for sign skin. And if now say he not sign that night, that means say he not go work. This man the talk say they say no, we be don't make arrangement say that number 11 day where they come, they say if no you not land. If you not land today, that means say go bad. Anyway, could you say self hurry. Last forget he back them for France. Now this is where the blue talk for Tory people for inside country. Me we hear where they talk François. That coach the talk say what?
Non, j'étais sûr et certain, très content avec la manière qu'ils ont fait leur sélection. C'était très professionnel et ça ouvre beaucoup de portes pour nous. Et on doit voir, on doit observer, on doit la situation aussi et on va y être actif après.
Bonne arrivée, coach. On est arrivé au Cameroun. Comment est-ce que vous vous sentez?
Très bien pour le moment. Je suis fatigué.
Pressé de retrouver l'équipe nationale du Cameroun, d'entraîner les Lions jaunes.
Bien sûr. S'il vous plaît, c'est fini.
Direction one time for some big hotel for inside country. Now, that wait, the show said that's how the coach don't hear it. So they last forget it back. Well, Palava post for inside this world now trouble. May we come on now, we reach for site for Douala for Picados. Yes. What is the price for Picados? Where they beat some people and not people them? Some people they say no. Say now two young boys and where they don't make thing where they come and say money. They make the money now where last na Cain. They use them for knock them day. These two boys then they open some that seat. Yes, some that internet seat where they write what they say they so any man where he get advance, get masters, they get work for them for inside Douala. Now them that them too. Man and he come be. So they make a now. Since that we the only pastime now inside for social media for the fight information. They don't know say now fair way they don't fail them. Get the way they come up for West region. The one the way they come up for Central region. The one the way they come up for Northwest. The one the way they come up for Southwest. The one when they come up for Adamawa. All them come pack for kilometer dose for Douala. Say they get for work. When I see Kaku where they carry them no. They pack all their clothes. We leave the town and then come to Douala town because now they will live in the street and money they day. They can't have them put the volley. Any sham morning time they come for place where they board them day. Evening they go sleep. And they board them will take time advantage. Rep this get them. Yes. And when they discover say they saw your family gets more money, they take telephone for Papa and then they call them. Pa you are picking there with we and he need money 2 million. If not so you know we can see again. Move there. Now where they start now, quarter boy, then they say no, somebody there for here, they don't sham monitor, they see them. And then for afternoon, they for inside bar. Every day, they don't know which way they walk. Me, they make investigation, and so someone and nyati, goes inside where they enter. Then when they enter, now they see how get they pack for inside the hall. Anyway, alarm start the blow. Oh, Shemo, Palava work for inside country. Me man not see something for Facebook, just follow him because we go into water. As they be follow him, now in this now, it shows that they be being a fair. And that boy then they say it is so they don't get money past 3 billion. Yes, quarter boy them for kilometer dose then come out. Say they so it go end today. Didn't go under today so it sideway come out. He no get transport for take go back. He no get transport we go pay go back for sideway we come out. When I see and they young guy them when they hot for upside like pepper, that's about pepper. Where red, where they overhot. Now so this guy them there for upside pass the taxi. Any smart for Facebook, fiang, man call it combi, man call it combi. This one my classmate. Me I call him Mimi and go enter the work when I don't see him now. When to him and talk, some people they go type face, but I talk nothing way. I for camera don't see him. When I see Kako, Mami go there on side, he know he on say this so picking don't start work. And this thing we can change picking the thing will be there for his brain. He head it start the men shower work for sell skin for feeding Mami and Papa and plenty they do also. Mami there for village, he knows say picking the work for BB office because they pass time for inside people that office take selfie send them for parents. Say na here where they work and where they go for say na his skin for day. Will not be normal. So we dey beg the authority for Cameroon say me then do that work. Me then do that work. Make sure say me then the work for quarter. Moto then way President Paul be buy am. Me then take an inter quarter. They don't take an the worker carry na their chop day for farm. Will not be normal. May we go for side for Kribi. It not be easy for Saturday. I say for Kribi. Camera for ATM, we don't plan his skin for some place. Now big ship where they can loot timber with timber for inside country for one man side. And one man go change the color for the plank, bring them again for we buy them dear. So time when they don't loot the timber for inside ship start the catch fire. Ship start the catch fire. Now when they call Sapé Pompier, we don't die oh, we not come for corner water, we don't die oh. Sapé Pompier come now for you on time. Where Chinese them they don't succeed for carry water again for inside the sea and then for lost the fire day. Yes, when I was in time where Sapé Pompier come, I say this one now see port for side for Limbe. Now here where fire be the catch. Can't see confusion for ship. Can't see confusion. So man they talk say sometime when we go cut timber for some village where we never see the chief. Some people you know now say Africa they non vex. Say they no one for the send me that timber they go for white man country again. Say sometime now where that way the ship it catch fire. Say it's for 19 where ship it don't catch fire with timber. Now Sapé Pompier don't come. Akele. Akele. Whole seaport. If you get this motor, they left 100 because the money day. They're not going to call him, not call him again. The one for the one we get for getting motor, when they lost fire, they 3,000. Should in case, Viang, they just send a water. But this kind of Sapé Pompier where they shine, so they show a VIP. Eh? Yes, this kind of one where they shine, shows a VIP. Yes. We salute all man where they for Kribi, they watch the program for that side for Carifo King. Where they did for that side too, they know they miss them. And those where they did for the Bagade, Boamanga. Yes, for Boamanga. They know they miss too, that one. Me we gonna have a side for Southwest for which place now for side for K-Town. I say for Kumba. It not be easy for Kumba. I say, Okada people them. When I want change the color for taxi, for put a yellow color, they say no. Why when I don't come back for this money office? They say no, they want to see Joe. Say they want to see Joe because they don't pass number. I say when I want to see Joe for security. Well, when I don't come block road, they say they get a problem, they don't kiss on that combi. They don't kiss on that combi where they talk to them. So me they go buy some ticket where they come and say, ask and say pass that way. Now boy where they pass and for person, they say paper don't come out. Because we sabi create. Say they don't create some paper where they come and say pass. You must buy and so that means you walk free for inside town. So they buy and now for work now, they there for insecurity because no person know the way to guide them. So they be keys on that combi and where he buy the pass. Now where Okada people say this so this palava pass, you know go work again. Say you know go there again. Now my man that the shortest mayor for Cameroon. Now in that yes, now mayor for Kumba. That my man. Oh, he says don't go be mayor now. Even for call person, you know they call. Now, thing why we talk for Cameroon, know your friend na time where you know they suffer. Time where you go start to enjoy, you know go know you again. Even for call me for one franc, okay, no problem. Now in this now. So they hold no now with Joe and the mayor. Mayor they talk say they saw me when I begin to buy the pass because another one go make and when I walk. Okada people they say no, we're not going to buy it again because when we buy I'm the Kiwi. And the Joe he says I get talk where we don't hear talk say this so that pass where they buy is a sell them for now for make us me when I work for that side with security. But now how many they kill this man now countryman? May we answer for this Okada people them. Why when I go turn up for this Joe office when I hear thing where Okada people they go talk?
They kill our colleague because of the Monday pass. So all Okada people who come out the money time will strike say no to Monday pass. One piece. We know the kill our people them again concerning the Monday pass issue again.
From Tuesday to Sunday. But
according to the pastor of Holland, the pastor the weapon for we where the weapon they help we for die. Because yesterday Monday we can't take pass. As we take the pass, some people some boy wait till own if go for that side for Kumbamen for primary school side, they go ask the pass, he show the pass, they kill it. As he show pass, they kill it. So as we hear and the thing over vex me, I will see and say that person will do well and he show say we say we hold our own weapon. Where anytime we show we go die. So we come today, one can pray that we beg all authorities for Kumase, make them take away pass for we so no one pass again, no one use pass for work. We no one die again. We don't be the worker for our own town. We the worker out we go kill we. We don't be the worker insecure. We don't get no police where the guy we if we want to go to Sala, we go calculate and I say if you go to Sala so you go help us, you show pass, they go kill you, you go die. So now our men cry down with the crowd, we tell them, say no one pass again. No more pass on Monday, no one will pass, no one will pass. No nothing, we not even see until they pass. We not pass our corner. We don't want time, we don't even want the paper. We want work and fine.
I be sure say when I don't hear thing where Okada people they don't talk, say they don't want them that pass again. Because that pass it instead help for kill them. Now me we ask now Chef Te, Mr. Ali, we now Chef Te for that side for Kumba 1. Countryman, this boy them don't can talk, cry for their papa. You don't hear that talk where they don't talk. You set their pa for that side. Wait till you say get them for talk. They hear you.
For the strike this morning because the people that we carry some Okada man, they want go for road, they kill you, take their bike, run. You collect them Okada people, they riot for town. Now at the year they say they don't want Monday pass. So when they say they don't want come out for Monday, and I don't assure them say this palaver coming out on Monday, no be thing where we get for negotiate. It's an order. Everybody must come out. That one no man not supposed to pose any question for that one. If you get any other problem, pose them, we go solve them. Any other problem like disturbances, where they disturb them, they know the work fine. So one day they ask them why you get pass for Kumba 1, you don't get the one for Kumba 3. Why you get for the one for Kumba 3, you don't get the one for Kumba 2. All that one must end. And I've assured them that the SGO is waiting for me to give him feedback of all of this. All their problems will be solved. Except that one of the pass, I'm trying to tell them the pass is free of charge. We are not asking, we know they ask them how much they don't work for Monday. We tell them, they come out, can't take pass, that's all. Leave their house, come take pass, go back, that's all. That's all. Leave your house, can't take pass for DO, go you back. Continue your business for house. I don't know now which kind of business you get for house. Thank you very much. Said, if you have 1,000 problems, all will be solved. Except that issue of pass, everybody must come out and take his pass. That one is non-negotiable. It's an instruction from the governor. We must fight Monday Ghost Town. We are not fighting against you. We know the fight now, una. Una understand me? Yes. We the fight na terrorism. We the fight na criminals. Come out, take your pass, go back and be free. Okay? Thank you.
I don't hear thing where Joe don't talk no. Say me you come over your house, can't take your pass for your office, you go your back, go make your business for us. But you don't know the kind of business where you make for us. Say this pass, Kumba 1, Kumba 2, Kumba 3. Any Okada man where he show he pass, whether na for Kumba 3 or Kumba 2, they get for pass free. But why they will kill the other person where get the pass? Countryman. Why they will kill the other person where get pass? Huh? I thought say the pass now free. But when I tell we say this, so when I go buy the pass that buy, I don't understand. So the Joe don't talk. Say this so they fight na country only. So na their own system that for bring the population outside for Kumba for Mondays. May we go now for side for Abakwa. Baminda. And not forget winner. 90s population don't gather police day, anti-gang day, gendarme day, a minute. They're not selling after the market. All kind of people that don't come up blow road. Say this one now waiting. Say they don't meet up some head for person where they don't cut them. They know they see in Yas, but they see on the head. They can't do man for Carrefour. They can't do man for junction. It cause panic for inside Baminda. This matter don't decline step. But we remain, they say we know the see. The level for this matter for Northwest and Southwest, it don't climb for some level where it needs to then try again and try for bring peace. Because the level where they, police could carry on where they don't drop their head. And they ask them whether they so this one, where they don't call the head na animal or na goat or na chimpanzee, no na person, and the person na picking for outside, picking for Cameroon or na stranger. All the commission where they don't create them. Commission now we know they see no commission, not the work again. No commission, not the work. Commission they sleep na sleep. People they continue to die. I did beg the president for this country. Now person where even now hand for table this thing could finish now on the second. Wait till we the wait people that they die. Population for Cameroon before be how many? Now they remain how many? No man no they talk. Specialists they don't pass their time for inside television, radio debate them. They talk, they don't beg them. Mommy them come out say they go work at empty nyas. So the mommy them march. Except so people them where they get for year or for see. They say they don't blind and they know the year again. This man where they don't call his head na picking for outside. No me na picking for Cameroon. No me na losses where country don't losses. Whether na Joe or na Joseph. Me it not concern me. Thing will be important for me now say me we look how we could stop this matter. 10 finger not fit be so two they will get caught. In the heart it must affect the 8. That 8 finger them must be hot. But we did make they say the finger then the remaining 8 they're not the year hot. Meanwhile 2 it get caught. Me we check sense. I will tell you when I say for soft problem for inside Cameroon, they get for invite na people them to read people like we. Me we can propose wait I for camera the CM and we all koro I the CM. So I mean the solution come out. We don't make first dialogue. Second dialogue begin for come because when they play football, first half day, second half day. Now second half where they know the team where don't win. Now we she don't quiet. We don't make national dialogue. We begin for bring another dialogue again. Now for the way solution for come out. But we don't she don't quiet. That means the first dialogue will bring solution. First dialogue will bring solution because we don't understand. Anyhow, we all ever talk and propose way they get for do where we bring peace. Me man not take some kind way. Now the way we see them, they think they climb, they go. If they don't start, they cut people their head. That means that small time they will cut their foot. Oh finger. Huh? You where you not get bodyguard, you there for permanent danger. Yes. Now live and countryman. We will go now for site for Ako. We could start for place where it will start. We could turn back for place where it will start before we enter for now. They talk say NJANGI House for LTM when it shows something. Change it must be. When we show things we don't spoil, we must show now how they don't fix them. Boku village for site for Ako subdivision under Donga Mantum for Northwest Cameroon. It be get problem and they be kidnap plenty people them for 2023. Me we fair year it be pass. Much fire countryman.
Fortunate situation in Moko village of Ako subdivision in Donga Mantum division. Right behind me are some Boko women in front of the National Gendarmerie Ako, whose husbands and relatives, children, amongst others, had just been kidnapped this morning by some unidentified Fulani kidnappers from the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is not up to 3 months ago that these same kidnappers abducted more than 22 persons in this same Boko call or in this same village called Boko and were released after having paid some ransom. Behind me is one of the victims who is going to tell us what really transpired.
Some day for this entrance, all that entrance, you have to make when you head.
Yes, madam, what happened for Boko this morning?
No, Levan. Nothing will be passed for 2023. Where people then be run for that Boko village, they go to a different site. With the time they do for Ako subdivision, we thank the parliamentarian for Ako And we thank again the mayor for side for Ako and the manager for Ako Community Radio, where they don't preach for some program then for that side. So the population for Boko village, then now, then come back for village because peace, it don't come for that Boko village. So yesterday, they be sit down together for see how could do now for bring picking them for school, how they could do for make Azime picking them, they learn something, where tomorrow they feel decide say this so they go work na farm or they go learn na fowl or na shrine for that side. So we could go meet up I for HM for that side for Ako, they call them Do Kata. Countryman, what did not happen again for side for Boko village? Me we yet it would report for that side live.
The Lower Mbembe Sons and Daughters Development Association, where they call themselves Wasonda, where it take place today for inside Boko village for Ako subdivision, where now the headquarters for this particular organization. The Lower Mbembe Sons and Daughters Development Association is being made up of 7 villages and where they form this particular association. Amongst these villages, we get Buku, we get Ababu, we get Dakar, we get Asa, we get Akwesem, just to mention a few. We founded since 6 years ago. So they celebrate their 7th edition today. And where their objective now to promote education, promote peace, promote agriculture, and amongst others. For this year's edition, they don't preview for register 21 beginning for inside SAR SM ACO for the 2024-2025 academic year. When you see right behind me, you observe and with a lot of satisfaction say all the villages them they be represented. You get the population for inside Abafum, the population for inside Buku, Abongshe, Ndaka, Akwese, Ako, all they be represented here for commemorate this 7th edition for the annual convention. My name's Nando Katadate. We are the report live for the LTM television news for inside Boko village for Ako subdivision.
Wasoda don't research a project where we look and see the project they be very important because it been a self-reliance activity. So Wasoda don't decide say it could select 21 students, put them for SAR SM ACO, and put them for learn any trade for them. So that after 2 years, we know say we don't already graduate 21 self-reliance students them where they could help our community. See and say sustainable agriculture, even at the one way we help with, because you say if you work, you get your produce then you sell. So we see say agriculture will fine, and we plead to the state and any other NGO will help us with agricultural input, because we there termites they chop our crops, rats and other things them, other insect them. So we please say if the state will help we with agricultural input, they can promote our agriculture and our development will go higher.
Yes.
So if it happen, when I don't see now, population, those where we first see them, they shidong, where they be run the village. Now them this now for inside the village, that means say peace it don't last to a camp for that side for Boko village. So we debate the other villages them say me then take a good example for where they pass for this other village. Sideway people they don't run for the all, me then try for go back, and then we debate the force them, and then the soft chief them, me then go back for village, try for call their people them, and then peace it could come back. Now we could go now for side for Garwa. What if be pass for Garwa na some small picking? When his mommy is saying he say me go buy oil, where they go take and cook chop for the next day. Picking don't come on now for evening for go buy oil, he go enjoy with you come with them, last take the remaining money, change color for your head, a pentam. Even come back now, mommy a holla he say, why you don't go stay and also the oil day? Pikin say they so money don't go lost. Mommy say if na say money don't go lost, now for money time we'll talk that one. Mommy don't talk so he go back after we don't prayer, he go sleep. Bride pikin come over outside, he go carry na this block. Come him for him mommy wey bunny, he head so the head is. Can't see confusion for inside Garwa. They say that's all. Usa Commandant Abakashi Saido alias Kalash. He said that's all. I they bring my boy them. Anyway, he be sent Gendarmerie Nationale for that quarter last. Gendarmerie too, he last inter. And then he make thing where they come and say a constant. Nabu tarat and see past that way, mommy he use them for pray. Now Gendarmerie that for pom ray where they don't come for fee for can't see them because I get for see them so that me mop a talk year. So now wait that way it don't happen for that side for Garwa and they talk say so this speaking a tip telephone it not make 2 weeks now so mommy he go use money now take them he make bribe and then they come out the picking and then you know say this so the picking they come one time now for can key. So the pikin, he come, one time can keep mommy, we don't take care for you. We not be normal. We not be normal. You go born pikin where pikin we get for help you. Pikin can instead kiwi na kill am. Pikin go come kiwi. The other time I show when I so for Garwa. Where Gendarmerie Nationale, he catch some pikin where he don't kill pa, now na pikin don't kill mommy. Where will he go? Population come out. I say population be come out when no na small one. Gendarmerie Nationale be surprised because the age for the pikin is not permitted me do that kind of action. And they say that's the way where the pikin they come up. It shows that there's also more time now God it will take them. Now Commandant Abakachi that we stand for the thing don't pass it. Population, family members, they don't come. And friends them don't come. They say it is so Barca the Sada they come, they will get some that meeting where they will do and now the woman it will get for take that meeting for this Friday where they come for prepare ye Barca the Saturday. See now. That means say it could go enjoy your own Barca Salah now Muhammad for heaven. Oh man, it don't be confused for inside that side for Garwa. Brigade for Pompomre, they succeed now, they call the borders. One time, they talk say this so they don't carry the boy. Now Commandant Seido Bakachi alias Commandant Kalash. Now in that way they talk with the boy them say this so this matter now only for court they could decide. They don't do their own work. Now they small picking that. That small picking way, they don't change a foot. Now they don't kill mommy with a bunny. So it is now for inside Ngata already. We never show the face because now it's to be now suspect. Live and continue. So when I don't see him, now we could enter now inside calling. Inside calling, and at the back any person say, when you want call the program, come out for inside crowd, so that me will hear you fine. When you there with family for palo, enter for inside room, you call. Because you not really talk with we for phone, and then television, you talk for your corner again, it could confuse you. Another one for inform the population where they should have for side for Douala, and those where they for side for Soza, for Buya, for Idia, for Kribi, and for side from Kambe. And those who they from Banga and for Lum. Now say, for number 19 day for this April 2024, they could make a well keeping for now Mami Mbonkur Anna Ngo. Yes, where you say be there for side from Kambe. So the well keeping could be for side for Bonanjo now for Club PAD. Yes, PAD. Now for the way keeping good day, way na commandant chue mbonkori mami, they could make ye way keeping that day. So they talk say this so any man way come out for new bear where you reach for marché for Carrefour the marché de flare, you just go straight after you bend by your left, you will just reach for the one time. So the debate when I say when person one come, even I say you get weak blood, countryman. Even I say you get weak blood, where you take 2 shots, take number 3, they give you go find place where you go chop. Chop go flop, mimbo go flop, but now say me man no misbehave for the. Any man where come for they can't fight. When I know say army come there for only for corner, they go just tell you go put them any camp. Come for the chop as you like them, drink as you like them, but no fight. All the dance group them, they go there. Kishe kode, Kop kode, Kila kode, all dance kode. So na commandant Chuye Mbonko where they talk say, me when I come that day for evening can enjoy but no fight because You know, like you man we go come disturb people them for play with they make like that for you, mommy. So now we then will come back and then we go enter chapter for calling. Hanifa, yes, Hanifa Paul. Hanifa, he watched the program for office. And even adjutant chef Gerard, he watched for the on-site. And person where they call and say, Mr. Roger, he did too for that side for 11. And person where they call him, some cameraman, yes, now we correspondent from NJANGI House, where he skin, you know, the celebrity. Yes, he did for that side too. Now, Shea Luis, he did for side for Bonabiri. For hospital, he take small medicine because the body, you know, they fight. So we talk Asha for Contuman. Yes, we talk Asha for Contuman. Shea Luis for Bonabiri. So we decided to Marche. Yes, Marche a blessing. Marche blessing. We watch the program too for that side for Bonabiri and Five Charlotte Nke. They watch us too for side for Bonabiri. Where till you get about talk and where till you see I'm way not find you. Me will transform and me fine because for LTM we did we honor for fix them. We know they for spoil them. The number them not them that, but make sure say you respect what we will need them. If you know say you go call, where you know go respect the commandier no call. We salute Kumba. Yes, Kumba people of Cape Town, they don't be on board. And we salute all man for side for Limbe. Limbe day on board. 65060848. Where till you get for talk and where till you don't see them. Where you know work a fine. Countryman. Whether that phone again, it get trouble. They say, don't say for Cameroon, they know the help person. Man, the help not only your family member. You feel cry so for road as that man where they broke your foot. He they cry. Since your family member not pass the, if or last die for that place. Countryman, put with that tip people them from go so me with this year. Yes. This boy then they for inside Yaoundé, all sides where they did aggression day for you not die. Yes. Wait till you go for talk. Me talk now. We salute to those who did the site for Nu. We salute all man for site for Binka. And we salute some part for Binka. We did for this site for Carifo so saying the business program. Hello? Okay, now today sometime will be in a beeping program. Yes, it shows that people in life will be plenty and we credit, you know, a day for Cameroon cheap. We salute all man for side for Kribi. We not forget we combi. We they can say share donatos when I picking for that side for Kochi for side from call. Yes, you know they miss the program. We they salute to Countryman way. We salute to Countryman way. Yes, the man for Facebook they want disturb we. Hello? Another person they call. Hello? Hello? Morning, who's the line? Yes, how about Limbe?
No, Limbe different. No, only that bridge will go down for Limbe. The only crack to go. I don't know.
That bridge where I be very sure I'm no?
Yes, that bridge. The one day we use it with him after.
I be talk say they saw that bridge. Huh? You know, now Renaissance in this. It go show. Then they go cut with a 10 helicopter for come for this side for Motengani.
That's what I enjoy Sunday yesterday for Yaoundé.
No, Yaoundé strong. You know, we know they enjoy we for here. You enjoy for outside.
Yes, I want to talk about that big way he came mommy for Yaoundé. That big way he came mommy.
Yes.
Yes. Now just say the law for government for me. If you been a say that kind of big way, you know, by having this, they begin for those key to that's a Cameroon government any key person. For me, this way the key mommy we don't push for belly, a bone, then you can carry stick in Nakam. Enough for me, my brother. I know that is your weapon for me. That means say you don't lose my me life. Then if I don't know the photo key to the beginning, put you very in my.
If I you know say they so Cameroon penal code, you don't talk say they're not the key person. We don't kill. Now so no. So me will pass for that one. But I'm a new coach. You don't see when a new coach for Lions. You don't learn.
My brother, I don't know that one. I don't know how Cameroon to not get power no for that one this year. To not get power, but when I get power for bringing you better coach, they don't want thing the one way they want them.
Okay. Now I don't call. Thank you, countryman. We salute Chief Henry Diko, when a chief for that side from Mayview Village. We salute to the chief, where they took for that side for my four, Bonadikomo, for side for Limbe. We know to forget to the chief for that side for Edina. We salute all man where they watch the program for that side for Edina. Say now, na time for calling. Where do you go for talk me, you talk now. Hello, countryman. Yes, he don't come. Hello? Hello? Now better customer that we take another person. Hello, countryman. We take this other person. Hello, countryman.
Hello.
Come out for corner television. I don't know whether we're in the year 13 or 12 for this Cameroon. You did talk something for a whole matured person. Say, you want to participate for this program, may you off volume for TV. But man, they call, it is also do not. You on way like him. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. Your name and the side where the call countryman.
Yes. Good morning, Moko.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Who did call the person there outside?
Yes, I'm from Cambe.
Yes, from Cambe.
Yes, I want to talk about that issue of for Apple, how they go arrange that Kuku place.
Yes.
Yes, if Apple forget, if they want to forget Apple, by now, probably not forget it. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
We still take another person again. Another call on the line. Me, we talk now. 650608498. Now number that way we get for user. 650608498. Me we use the very system where you want call off the volume for your TV. Me we talk. Yes, another caller don't come again. Yes, me we take this other person. Hello, countryman. Hello? The man be the beep na beep. When I go beep, so take we call with a finger. Take. You know if you buy phone for 100,000, you jam 100 for put credit for inside. Hello? Hello? Good morning.
Good morning.
Who they call the person there for outside? Yes, Valentine for Susa. We hear you.
I instantly appreciate you for that thing with the show for we. Good morning.
Come over corner television. You don't see how television they disgrace you, know. Now the television they disgrace you because when we talk say you want call, you come over corner television, so no one understand why. When we talk good morning, you don't start the talk after now. It is still here again the thing for television. Good morning. So it confuse you. When I follow simple instruction. Yes. Hello, countryman.
General, good morning. Happy New Week.
Good morning, countryman.
Hello. Yeah, I miss mostly I call from Germany.
How when I don't sleep for that side?
No, we didn't find God don't bless it.
Okay. We hear you now.
See for inside here only.
Yes.
General Moko, really a person what we call as a shame. I mean, even if your whole house, you know, clean, may your parlor even try clean small now. Even a stranger comes self master, you know, to him now. Even room they not clean, kitchen not clean, make parlor clean. In fact, when I would you watch this kind of program there for you, would it? As a day with the Siam, the action like Cameroon that you decree. Would the him will walk so with the outside. I the wonder whether we didn't get government, whether we didn't got government or any man you do your own way like. That disgrace my brother. The shame too much. At least it didn't come to be one high. I want to even find small. Before even I just that kind of thing. I want to go like that. The whole capital. Tire my own country to be like that. I tire.
now we're there with the fix am. With the fix am, countryman. Yes. With the fix am. Yes.
I'm not sure.
No, they fix am. How you talk say you not sure? Yes. Rain for inside Yaoundé. With the try way for open the gutter hold them. As you see them. Yes. Hello? Good morning. Who they call the person there for side? Huh? Yes, Mami Rabe, how are you? Where do you get your talk?
Well, Papa, I want to talk about that woman where they kill her for Garua.
Yes.
Well, I don't know whether became drug way take her own and then friend them put people that temptation. So the way they make God take control and make government really take time to see that picking. But they go just condemn it to then the government is no cost you because if you come out today, a different one will happen again.
Thank you.
So we joke that my heart for God may take care of that kind of picking.
Thank you. So we salute all man for side for Japoma. We salute those who they did for Colball. And we greet all man for that side for Ari. We salute those who they did for Ndopasi. We salute all man for side for Yasa. We not forget to those who they did the other side for Idia. And we greet all man for that side for Bumnyebel. We salute those who they make business for that side for Bumnyebel. They don't miss their program. So we could take another person before we come out. Some person they again may come because time it don't catch we. 650608498. We salute Mr. Tamman Collins. Yes, Ngwang Tang Man Collins. He watch the program for our site for UCB. We salute to Sheng Wang. Sheng Wang we dey on a site for Bonabiri. Now She for Campbell Palace. Hello?
Well, Moko, good morning. Happy New Week, my brother.
Happy. Who they talk the president outside?
Taximan Daniel for Boya.
The cleanest taximan for site for Boya. We hear you, countryman.
After a long time, we never get light, though.
Well, even for Boya.
I tell you, my brother, we never get light. So, thank you.
Okay.
But I'm accusing for the country. I don't know what I would go. Bye-bye, thing that happened, my brother. Only listen more poor and need for that more the prayer, my brother. I'm always the pray. The children happen, my one they understand.
Okay. Hello? They call me say General Moko. No call me for your own name.
General Moko.
Good morning. They know they talk country talk for you.
Nah, I don't know the English.
Huh. Now who this now? Huh. We salute Shea Paul. Yes, Shea Paul. We they watch the program for that side for Konawatana for Kasnu. Yes, Shea Paul will tell us. Hello? Hello? Good morning, countryman. Your own name now. Who you recover which part of country? Hello? Good morning, oh. 650608498. Person where it is check sense, he must understand why. Hello? Hello? We salute all man when they watch the program for that side for Fumban and for Fumbot. We greet all man for Kotaba. We salute those who did for side for Jakiri. We salute all man for side for Kitium. We greet all man for Kikaikom and Kikaikilaki. We not forget those for Tatum and those who did for Kuvlu. We salute all man for that side for Ntumbo and those who did for Saint Village. Saint Village, we not forget those who did for Junction and Nyanga Boy, Victor Nyanga Boy. It was the program. Hello?
Yes, Moko.
Yes, last call now. Okay. You don't know cancel not week. Hello? Hello? Good morning. Okay. The program don't finish. When something there by your side where you did shidong, any play where you did shidong, if problem today, you make sure say you hold your Android phone so when I look am. When you hold am so, let me say you don't hold am fine. When you make the video finish am, you send am for we for that number when I see am. Make sure say you hold am so. But when you hold am so, when you finish the video, you send them for your family people them. No send them for we because we never use them. images then we will use them a day on where they don't use phone now so for tech video. So we thank all the correspondents them where they don't make and we get all the videos, the report. Tomorrow we'll go for side for Kenkem for meet up this one way now sad news we're picking a go fall inside water, a die because of heavy rain will be fall for that side. When I go see up the population of side for Kenkem, they don't decide organize their community work, they open the road and then council don't enter for inside for make us say me the road open fine. So anyhow way they now so we be see country. Then me when I know say this so for Cameroon when you do work at the look left and right. No job they go na front. Say this so you there for your road. Because motor the name where they work at na sans interdit. So me any man look out. Yes. We salute now those who are there for side for Bepanda, they say we miss say they watch the program. And those who are there for side for New Bell, those who are there for side for Casino, the Yerema Richard, and we salute all man for kilometers same way they watch their program. Francois Naibi the match button, meanwhile, Sewe, Lande Sewe, if they control the Facebook page and the sound system, Mr. Lobe, if they there for side for camera, me, they call him. Na General Moko way na the only general for Cameroon where they work out broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon send them for inside water, me water carry and go, me country in know the smell. We'll meet up tomorrow same time, different images. Happy Monday for all man, we don't go.